Renthir, I marked now. No need of any. Yes. Now we can start. The first chapter itself we can revise it because still you are getting confused one more, and textbook also definitions, everything you have to read now. Okay, you have to read the textbook as well as you have to read the workbook also. Again, who is marking there? Renthir, I told you.
Ma'am, you can disable them.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, first question.
Ma'am, what
Akhil,
did you tell?
all of you mute now. Riyan, why you are unmuted?
Ma'am, you want to take workbook?
No, just you listen. Okay, you can listen. And
Ma'am,
you
we
can
are
read
revising.
write the answers.
Ma'am, we are revising.
You can listen the question and all of you can write the answers. Afterwards, I will check your answers. Okay?
Ma'am, where we want to write?
In rough book. In rough book, you can write the answers. Don't shout the answers. You can write it and I will ask you.
Ma'am, my rough book page is finished.
Yes, first question is, who is the father of geometry? Don't say the answer, don't shout the answer. Don't say the answer, don't shout the answer. You write your answer, I will check your answers now. Only 1 minute I will give you to write, only 1 minute.
Ma'am, we want to write a book.
In rough book you can write. Now only I will ask you the answers.
Ma'am, we want to write the questions.
You write the answer now in your rough book. 10
Ma'am,
who is
we
having
want
there
to-
still doubt?
We want to write full sentence.
No, only answer is enough. Stop writing all of you. Ahyan, what is the question and what is the answer you wrote now? Others, please mute. Don't say in between. Please mute.
Ma'am, can you say the question?
Don't want. Christo, I asked us. Ahyan, he will tell now. Ahyan, please mute.
What is the?
Uh,
Ma'am, I did not finish.
why? I will give only 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Yes, Farhan. You
Ma'am, we
can
want to
say
write the question.
question also you can write, then you write the answer. Only 1 minute
I want to
for
say
question and writing the answers. It is not a long question. It is a very short one.
Ma'am, I want to say a question.
Yes. What is the
Ma'am,
question?
should we write the question?
Question. Without question, what you will write the answer? First you copy the question, then you write.
Who is father of geometry?
Geometry. Who is father of geometry? What is the answer you wrote?
Euclid is
Who is talking
represented
in
as
between?
father of geometry.
Who is father of geometry?
Euclid.
Euclid. Guruchit, please mute.
As
Devadath,
father
please
of
mute.
geometry.
Please mute. So, what is the answer you wrote it, Devadath, now?
Euclid.
Euclid is considered as the father of geometry. How many of them made mistake? Raise your hands. How many of them made mistakes? No. No one made mistake.
I wrote Euclid.
Ma'am, I want to.
Yes. Euclid is considered as the father. Who is talking? Yes, Nivet. Yes.
I didn't hear because network issue.
Who is that?
You can say
Yes.
first.
So, who is considered as the father of geometry? Euclid. You put tick mark if your answer is correct. Otherwise, you put wrong and correct it there. Not talking in between. I don't want any talking, no doubt.
What is the spelling of Euclid?
Euclid. 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 Second question. Please stop talking. Who is unmuting? Why Amal Fayaz?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
What is the second question?
Second question I am telling you now. Define a point. Second question, don't say the answer. 47, 48, you have to stop writing. 10:48, I will see the time. And again, I am not writing any spelling or anything. Define Define a point. Devadat, please mute.
Ma'am.
Yes. Define a point. Define a point. No need of telling finished or not. Sit in your place. I will ask you. 10:48, I will ask you to stop. That time you have to stop writing. Define a point. Yes, Farhan, I will ask you. Wait.
Ma'am, time finish.
Yes, 10:48 now. Amal Fayaz, all of you stop writing. No need of writing again. Amal Fayaz, what is the answer you wrote?
A point is an exact location in space.
Exact location in space. But you made mistake in the MCQ test. Please be careful. Okay. Those who did not get above 80%, they have to write the exam again. So,
It's an or a.
which one? An exact location in space. An exact location in space. How many of them made correct? All of you, those who made correct, you raise your hands. Yes, very good. All of them made correct answer. Okay, excellent. Okay, don't make mistake by confusing. Think and write it, but don't spend. Yes. Okay, third question. Third question. Third question. How many endpoints? How many endpoints? How many endpoints does a line is having? How many endpoints
this is third
does
question.
a line is having?
Ma'am, this is third question.
Third question. How many endpoints does a line is having? 10:50, you have to stop writing. How many endpoints does a line is having? How many endpoints?
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, don't say now. I will ask you to stop. That time you can say the answer. In between, no disturbance.
Ma'am, time finish.
Only Anthony Harun is absent. Yes,
Ma'am,
10:50. Now you
ma'am,
can
time
stop
finish.
writing. Stop writing.
Ma'am,
Then
ma'am,
here, I don't want any other answers from anyone. Akhil, please mute.
Ma'am,
Then
can I?
here, Riyan, I will ask you. I will give chance. Yes. Here, what is the answer you wrote?
There are two endpoints.
Is it correct answer, Riyan?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
No.
Line
No,
is
ma'am.
not never. No
Never
endpoint.
endpoint.
A line having no endpoints.
No endpoints. Line, not line segment. Line is not having any endpoint. Zero endpoint for a line. Don't get confused. How many of you made mistake? Raise your hand.
Line does not have an endpoint.
Made
Line
mistake.
segment
Made
only
mistake.
has
Be
endpoint.
careful. Line is not having any endpoint. Line. Okay. Fourth question. That is how you are making mistakes for exam. So be careful. Fourth question. Define a line. Define a line.
Ma'am, this is fourth
Don't say
question.
anything now. Only write the question and answer I need. Define a line. 10:52, you can stop writing. Define a line.
What is a
Or what is a line
question,
also you
ma'am?
can write. Define a line or what is meant by line and explain the term line. Different types of question. Define a line.
Ma'am, what is fourth question?
Define a line.
Ma'am, can you say once more the question?
Define a line. That is the fourth question.
Okay, ma'am.
Define a line. Yes, 10:52, you can stop writing. Muhammad Adnan,
How many marks?
only 1 mark. 1 mark for one question. Muhammad Adnan, what is the answer you wrote?
And I am writing.
Yes, Muhammad Adnan,
And I am writing only.
writing still, 10:52. No, you have to write fast. Ameya, yes, Ameya.
Many points placed close to each other will form a line.
Yes, very good. Many points placed close to each other will form a line. So you have, yes, Rian?
Ma'am, there is a straight path.
In a straight path. Many points close to each other in a straight path is called a line. All are same. Many points placed close to each other will form a line. So Muhammad Adnan, you should be fast in writing. You should be attentive here. Yes, next one, Akshit, why you are unmuted now? Devadat, Akshit, both of them.
What is fifth one, ma'am?
So next, fifth question you can write. Define a line segment. Define a line segment. 10:54 you have to stop writing. 10:54, don't take much time.
Ma'am, what is the first question?
Define a line segment. Define a line segment. Define a line segment. Again and again I am telling, define a line segment.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, no, wait. 1 more minute is there, wait. 1 more minute, they are writing still.
Can I tell?
Yes, wait. Those who are not telling, I want the answers. Because during exam time, you should not get confused.
Ma'am, I can tell after the writing.
No.
I should finish.
Yes, now, Ivana, what is the answer you wrote? Others, all of you mute. Listen your answer, correct it. Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Ivana asked, no others. Yes.
Ma'am, can
Yes, Ivana, you can unmute. Not written the answer?
I don't know it, ma'am.
You don't know? Yes, Megha. Yes, Devadat, you can say, yes.
Line segment is a part of line.
Yes, line segment is a part of a line. A part of a line is called line segment. Now don't forget it. A part of a line is called line segment. Now you mute. Now, part of a line is called a line segment. Next one you write, sixth question.
What is sixth question, ma'am?
Sixth question I will tell you now. Define.
Ma'am, how many questions in?
I will see according to the time. Okay, how many
Ma'am,
questions?
don't give it thrill same.
What?
Ma'am, can you say the
What is the
Yes,
sixth
I will
one?
I will change the question. How many endpoints?
Ma'am, Wikipedia and
Sixth question, sixth one. How many endpoints? How many endpoints does a line segment having? How many endpoints does a line segment is having?
And what is the sixth question?
Sixth question, how many endpoints does a line segment is
Ma'am,
having?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I run the?
No, wait, Ranthir, you got one chance. I will ask others. How many endpoints?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, didn't tell the answer.
Then I will give chance. Yes, wait.
And this we have to send to ma'am.
Please mute. I will give chance for everyone. Please mute. Okay.
Ma'am, we want to send you.
No need of sending. You are telling the answer, you are correcting there itself. Then next one more, I will give you. Next period also we can do revision in the next topic, and afterwards you can write one test.
Ma'am,
Yes,
today we
Yes, Devadat. Please keep quiet.
Ma'am, Gurujit.
Next one. Yes, Megha, you can say the answer now.
It has 2 endpoints.
Yes, it is having 2 endpoints. A line segment, line is not having endpoint. Remember that line is not having endpoint. Line segment is having 2 endpoints. That one you should remember now. Okay. Line segment, it is a part of a line. It is having 2 endpoints. Okay. 7th question you can write now. 7th question.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Yeah, I will tell you. Wait. 7th one.
Ma'am, what is the fifth one's answer?
6th one, 2 endpoints.
Fifth.
Fifth one is, what is the 5th question?
define
Define
a line segment.
a part of a
Is the
line.
5th
Devadat,
question.
don't unmute now. Devadat,
And is
Not
a part
unmute.
of a line.
Riyan Riju, please mute.
Line segment is a part of
We can answer
the 7th
Yes.
question.
7th question. Define a ray. Define a ray. All of you mute. Devadat, unmuted. Please mute. Please mute. You will get the chances. Don't worry. I will ask you questions. Riyan Riju, please mute. Christo, please mute. Riyan, please mute. I will ask you questions. Don't worry. Define a ray. Define a ray. Yes, Kashinath, you can say that. How will you define a ray? Others, all of you mute. I don't want any answering together. Yes, Kashinath.
Array
Hmm.
has an starting point but no end point.
Yes, very good. Is it correct answer? Is it correct answer? Yes. Yes, it is the correct answer.
Ma'am, what was the answer?
A ray is a which is having starting point but no end points. Yes. So how many end points a ray is having? Only one end point. Line segment, Riyan?
Line segment has 2 endpoints.
End points. Line, Ashwin?
No end point.
No end point. Yes.
Ma'am, will you tell one more the answer?
Which
No,
one?
like the 7th one answer.
7th one, a ray.
Define
Part of a line with a starting point but no
no
end point.
end point.
No,
Only this much.
no end point. Okay.
Only this much.
No, still questions are there. Many questions are there because
And 8th question then.
8th question. How many of you made mistake here? Raise your hands. Ray,
Ma'am,
all of them
you
wrote
only one
correctly.
mistake. Ma'am, what is the eighth question? Ma'am.
Now,
Can you tell the 8th?
yes, 8th question I will tell you. Wait.
Ma'am, what is the eighth question?
8th question I am coming to that. Let them finish all. Some are writing still. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
finish.
My mistake is one.
Yes. Next one.
Ma'am, what is 7th question?
7th question. Define a ray. That is the 7th question.
Can you answer the 8th question?
Wait, Devadat, wait. Look for others.
Ma'am,
Yes. 8th question you can write. Define zero angle.
Define zero angle. Define zero angle.
Who is telling that? Who is telling? Who unmuted there? Riyan Riju, please mute.
Ranveer say.
Ranveer, please mute. I told nobody should unmute. Define zero angle. Define zero angle. 11.3 you can stop writing. I will ask you the questions, answers now.
Ma'am, what is the eighth one?
Define zero angle. Devadat, please mute. Christoph, please mute.
Ma'am, can I?
No, no, yes, Randhir already told. No, no need. Define zero angle. Yes, Ain Al Sabah, you can say now. Others, you can stop writing. All of you stop writing. Listen the answers.
An angle with measure 0 degree is
Yes.
called zero angle.
An angle with measurement 0 degree is called a zero angle. Very good. How many of you have made correct? Ivana made mistake? Yes, you are not studying any definitions. Ivana, please study.
No,
Niranjana?
not wrong.
Yes, don't make mistakes. So, again and again I am repeating. Amal Fayaz, what is
Ma'am, I
the
didn't make the mistake. I didn't make.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I didn't make the mistake.
You did not make the mistake. Yes, Amal Fayaz, what is meant by zero angle? Unmute and tell me.
Ma'am, I don't get.
You don't know. Yes, Ivana, what is meant by
can
zero
Leon
angle?
got full.
Ma'am, can Leon tell?
Yes, wait. Let her, she made, yes, Leon, you can say now.
Yes, ma'am. Zero angle is an angle with a measurement 0 degree is called a zero angle.
Yes, Ivana, are you listening here? An angle with measurement 0 degree is
angle
called
with
a zero
measurement,
angle. You are not
0
reading.
degree is called zero
Zero
angle.
Okay. Next question. Ninth one. Ninth one you can write.
Ma'am, what is the ninth one?
Yes, I will tell you. What is
Ma'am,
meant
what
by
is the eighth one? And what is
eighth
the
one is
eighth one?
zero angle. Define zero angle. That is the eighth question. Ninth question you can write. What is meant by an acute angle? Ninth question. What is
an acute angle?
now define an acute angle or explain the term acute angle? All are same.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, I only have low charge.
Yes, you have to charge it now.
Yes.
Next period you are not
And
having
can I?
Excuse me, miss, what was the ninth question?
Yes. Only 6 minutes more, Randhir, only 5 minutes more you can adjust it. Afterwards, next period you are having class? No? After,
Today we have 2 class.
Keep charging this mobile and laptop. everything.
our own words. Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, my tablet.
Yes. Megha, what is the answer you wrote?
Actually, I don't know acute angle.
What is meant by acute angle?
I don't know acute angle, but I know other ones. I don't know.
Other ones you are knowing. Yes?
Leon,
Yes, Leon. Ashwin, what is
Leon, everything.
Yes, Wasim, you can say now. Yes,
Krista didn't get a chance.
yes, I will tell.
90 degree is called acute angle.
If the measurement is Devadat, please
The
mute.
measurement is 90 degree. It is called acute angle.
No, less than 90.
Less than 90 degree.
90
Please mute.
Angle which
All of you mute. George, I did not ask you now. Please mute. So, if the measurement is less than 90 degree,
Less
then
than
it is
90
called
degree,
acute
it is
angle, not
called
90 degree. That is
An
wrong.
angle between 0
An
and
angle
90
between
degree.
0 and 90 is correct.
90 degree.
An angle between
90
0.
degree.
Devadat, please
90
don't talk.
degree is the right angle.
if the
An angle
If one ray moves such that
degree.
less than
if one ray
90
moves
degree
such
is
that its
called
final position from one ray is between 0 degree and 90 degree, we call that
next
acute
one
angle.
you can write. Next question. What is
Sometimes
meant by right angle? What is meant by?
Ma'am, this much only.
No, still questions are there. Christoph, please mute.
We can write what is an right angle.
Yes. Ashwin, please mute.
Ma'am, I don't getting angles.
Define what is meant by right angle or define a right angle. Define a right angle or what is meant by right angle.
Ma'am, can I say?
Can I?
Ria already, you already told.
Can I say?
Yes, Megha, you can say the answer.
Ma'am, can Zahra say?
Yes, Sahara, I will ask.
Except 90 degree is meant by right angle.
Is the measurement is exact 90 degrees.
called right
Who is repeating? Please don't repeat. If the measurement is 90 degree, then it is called a right angle. What is the name for it? Right angle. If the measurement
90
of
degree.
an angle is 90 degree, then it is called a right angle. Okay.
And we can write like this also 90 degree is called right angle.
Measurement is 90 degrees called a, so it is called a right angle. 2 more minutes are there, 1 more. Now how many questions over?
Ma'am,
10.
10 questions. 10 questions, ma'am.
10 questions. 1 more question.
10
Writing time is
questions
there.
are over. Ma'am, 10
Yes.
questions are over.
1 more question.
Okay, ma'am.
11th question.
I have a confusion.
11th question you can write. What is an obtuse angle? What is an obtuse angle?
Ma'am, I finished.
What is an obtuse angle?
Ma'am, can I ask you?
Yes, yes. Yes, Ashwin, you can say no.
Ma'am, an angle between
Hmm.
90 degree and 180 degree.
If the measurement is in between 90 and 180, or then it is called, or more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, then it is called what? It is called
Obtuse angle.
obtuse angle. So examples which are obtuse angles, you have to write it. Choose the acute angle from the following, and so many questions will be there. Prepare well for the exam. Okay, no
Excuse
need
me,
of
ma'am.
asking any
Excuse
doubt during exam time.
Ma'am,
Okay, how many of you got all answers correct? No.
Should we send this to your
No,
WhatsApp?
no need of sending. I already corrected it. Now, no need of sending. Next period. Devadat got 11.
Ma'am,
So be careful. Be careful. Bye bye.